If you're looking for women boots by Beacon, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Beacon. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Beacon. Number 3. Get your favorite women boots now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by AmeriMark. Number 5, by Beacon. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.